Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this iPhone encountered an issue while starting in iOS 27. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version, that is iOS 27, and now it is stuck on the problem that says this iPhone encountered an issue while starting, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply connect your device with your PC or Mac, and then you have to simply recover or update the software of your device with the help of 3U tools. So guys, you have to simply connect your device with your PC or Mac, and then with the help of 3U tools you have to simply repair your software, or you have to simply restore the software of your device. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.